24 reporter Claire Paccalin has been covering the case for us and joins the program live from the courthouse. Claire, what are we expecting to happen in court today?
Well, here on day 3, we're going to have the presiding judge's report. We're expecting it to take all day, so the proceedings started about half an hour ago and are likely to finish at around 8 p.m. this evening. Now, the presiding judge will read out his report. He'll be helped by 2 other more junior judges who will be making some of the reading of that too, because it's a lot for one man to read out 8 hours of a report. He's basically going to give an overview of what happened on that fateful night, November 13th, 2015, and he's also going to give an overview of the facts of the case and what the defendants are accused of. Just to remind you, there are 20 defendants altogether. 6 are being tried in absentia. 1 is behind bars in Turkey. 5 more are presumed dead in either Iraq or Syria. 14 men are actually in the courtroom, physically in the courtroom. So we're going to have more information about exactly what they're accused of today.
Claire, I imagine this will be difficult for the survivors and victims' family members who are there in the court to hear today. But are the suspects, are they there, all of them? Because we have seen that the only surviving assailant, Salah Abdeslam, he's been yelling in court and upsetting some survivors during the first couple of days.
Absolutely. On the first day, he got up and said that he had no profession. The judge asked him the routine question, what was your profession before you were arrested in March 2016? He said he had no profession. He had given up having one in order to become a fighter for the Islamic State. Yesterday, he got up in court again, went to the microphone uninvited, said to the judge that he didn't believe in his justice, but that in any case, men were innocent until proven guilty. He started talking about how victims in the Molenbeek suburb of Brussels should be able to come to the court and speak, as well as victims in Syria. He started to get aggressive and not really making much sense. So the judge had to put a stop to it. He suspended the hearing and then said to him quite clearly, look, you've had 5 years to express yourself. You've not cooperated with investigators. You will be able to express yourself, but now is not the time. Yesterday, they were looking at specific, very technical issues towards the civil plaintiffs, and it just was not the time for Abdeslam to start having an outburst. And again, today, if he tries again, it's likely he'll be silenced pretty quickly by the presiding judge.
This is expected to be the longest trial in French history, 9 months. Our reporter, Claire Paccalin, there for the very beginning.